Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? Congratulations to this time, my brothers. Theta Network is in the profit and a very huge update, my brothers. Today I will give you, so kindly you need to watch this video completely to understand better about updates, my brothers. So first of all, as you can see, my brothers, time the Theta Network is completely in the profit now. And just in only if you can see the chain occur last 7 day 36.81% profit. Oh my goodness, and change occur last 24 hour 15.54%. Wow, it's so mind-blowing. Crush pull chain occurred last 1 hour 2.34%. My brother, this time absolutely Theta Network is completely on the trending, and they will get a very huge pumps now, completely in the profit now. Congratulations. The price come to 6.22 USD dollar. I hope they will hit now, and they will again go into, my friends, 15 USD dollar. So just in only, my friends, that's need your focus, your, my friend, hard work. I hope the Theta Network team is doing very hard work, so I hope they will move upward. But just in only a few hold, so I hope they will move upward. Thanks for watching, Theta Network holder. My prediction is completely positive now. I know in upcoming time they will move upward. Just in only you, just, my friend, you can see here, just hold, and absolutely if you hold it, so I hope they will give you a profit. Please don't miss, and absolutely this is very good time to profit, so please don't miss this chance. Love is, take care, see you next time. Theta Network, please subscribe channel and like video.